It's not much of a sunny day today. Bit of cloud, but that won't put a dampener on things for me. And we are back in County Wicklow. Last time we were here was back in September, and that was for Glendalough. And we are here at Poulaphouca Reservoir, or more affectionately known as Blessington Lake. So we're starting things off here in Avonry. I've snuck in. I've been a naughty boy, I'm not supposed to be in here, but I thought sod it. We're here on an adventure to look at the beautiful scenery around here. It's gonna brighten up a little bit later, so I'm hoping for a lovely sunset, but in the meantime, just have a look at this scenery. Just look at that. Even though there's a bit of cloud around, it still looks spectacular and breathtaking. So as we progress, I'll show you a few sights and sounds and some interesting features and buildings when I come across them. In the actual grounds of the Avonry, you'll find a couple of sculptures, and this is an interesting one. I think it's a badger. So I don't know what the theme is for this, but if anyone knows, feel free to drop a comment and fill me in. And this is the other sculpture they have here. It's another badger from the looks of things. And if you're feeling a bit peckish, there's a couple of food trucks for you to check out. I can smell pizza, it smells lovely. Yeah, you're right, it was pizza I could smell. And there's the menu for your perusal. And that's the other one to the left of the pizza bus. And cookies are on hand here. Cookie! They've got an offer on. 2 for €5. And just to the right of the Avonry, you have the entrance to the Blessington Greenway. We're going to have a wander down there and see what there is to see. I'm sure it's going to be pleasant enough. I don't think it will be as comprehensive as the Waterford Greenway, because it just looks like the stone path. So if you're cycling down here, it might be not roadworthy as you think. It might be enjoyable all the same, but it's more suitable for walkers than that. And also along here you see some gym gear. So only in Ireland I've seen things like this happening. Yeah, because there's something like this in Kilkenny down by the river in Bishop's Meadows. And after you've been walking for a couple of minutes, maybe 3, you come across this little junction, and I think it takes us to the lakeside beach. So I'm going to climb this mound and get to it, because I am all blind here. I don't know where anything is going. I know very little about this location, so I'm learning like yourself as I go along. That's all part of the fun of things, you know, part and parcel of it all. You know, discovering new things when you least expect them. And, you know, the prize awaits at the end of the journey. And, by the looks of things, check this out. I was right. It's a little bit muddy there. Gonna risk crossing over that. Luckily, I've got my hiking shoes on. So, can I jump over that large puddle of water? Or step in it a little bit? Oh, it's sinking a bit. Hang on, can I do it? Yes, I managed it right to the end. And here we are, right next to Blessington Lake, or Poulaphouca Reservoir, as its official title is. And it's starting to rain a little bit, just a bit of light drizzle. But I'll continue the trek just for your benefit. I'm nice like that, you know. Now, I wasn't able to get any further along that beach, but according to Google Maps, it's probably an old image. You could, but I have said in the past, don't rely 100% on Google Maps, but just head back into the woods and you will find another exit which will lead you onto this. And the rain is actually stopping. I had to stop for a few minutes just to bide my time to let it lessen, and I was right. Yep, it's all good, and I'm hoping for a lovely evening here, and by that time I should be somewhere on the other side of the lake, and in the distance you can see a bridge. So I'm going to see if I can reach that bridge, drive across it and show you some views. I really am not joking about these views. They are absolutely amazing. Oh, it just makes you really happy to be in nature and looking at everything. So I'm spoiling you and I'm spoiling myself by being here. Just look at that, people. Just look at that. Apart from that old log just lying there, burnt out. But yeah, just going back to the edge of the lake there. Wow. Nature, Mother Nature in its full glory there. And just a little bit to the left there, that's the edge of the Wicklow Mountains. We are this close to the bridge now, and I'm hoping we can get to it. And just in front of me now, looks like an old ruined castle. So I'll give you a better look at that shortly when I'm right up to it. Also, as you're coming up to the castle, look at these unusual tree roots. It's like they've been made to sit on, or like spider legs even. And well, these ones here, they look as if you can sit on them. So Mother Nature is giving us a hand in our times of rest and relaxation. And we're right on top of that ruined castle. But unfortunately, it looks as if we can't get any closer to it because it looks as if they're doing renovations. But we will try and get some aerial footage for you in a moment.